I am a yabi because uyi you can't rap as a kromuha. Uyi sakodi if you are the next person that was in line. I would not stage and yet about just rapping, entertaining. Someone who can go on stage and entertain when it comes to dancing, when it comes stagecraft. This guy was the next in line. After, see, and I've said this on my YouTube, so I'll say it again. After his friendship, deeper than blood, his relationship with Shatta Wale, all of a sudden, he's buying assistant, and the way he answered was forgetting the craft and where he was heading.
Yeah. Ghana entertainment industry, beautiful. Yeah. Jebi the Mogul. Meaning se ma pronouncing the dini ya, Papa. Na bibi aboko de. Congratulations, Papa, for your new appointment at that radio station. Shatta Wale, and so Emma, congratulations. Say, wako selling it out. Na se bi won so de anya baby agina. Oh, normal. Enye nipa bebre na what confidence a. Se bi omo ko baby o metima stand it to the truth. Enu ntino. Se be ya ye beji o matum ntino. Shortcut. I was so sell you be out. Nipa kesi be out. Se be ya ye be bie pronama no niama no. Akunya ni bi atena so. Onti ase. Eye very normal. Jebi, nia oye ye no, eye normal. We nani se uwie no kra oba platform so ebe chirechirem chire obi ada bi. Also se oye bema. Onti ase. O take a decision we are forgetting bibia. Obia is happy for you. And then me kind of crash out. Wale en ha no daw. Open nipa Ghana entertainment industry. Amount for edi dini din wo kese a Shatta Wale. And unti say who you see din positively or negatively. Now also know what me are achieve dreams are. I'm telling you before God and man. Enya dia sebi asem na ukọ kan wo show ni so no ebe ha Shatta Wale da. There be. En ha no me kind of crash out. On cry we happy for you. Sebi say what you see din was selling it out. Our platform be so amo majiwa tuma now no every Saturday bia no omo entertainment review obekwa kwatena so na wakọ kan sema fa ne ho sebe ya omo show no benya numbers which is very good for Shatta Wale. There is nothing like bad publicity. Anunti papa dia oye ye no ne kwanso a no mema bibia how uwie ye no kwa ne ni so call platform so ekọ chechiremu na asem na me debi asem na okaye no even say etie wadu masem a wo se wadi kan aka and na wo say repeat it, which means a idea based on your observation no esi one who dey mention enu ntino unhia nchechemu bia biem Jebi oka me say e wo show ni so ana wa uni makankasa emodu enu ntino se obie wa no kawi a untimi meka asem fufuro bia na ne obi adwene contest na wo use wo asem no de na opese o kan nyina na o kan ye no sabi obi akoye ade ama kamia ese nipa dodo na ebo na chisa ade na o ye no wa anye ni ye na wadru baabi na ye ka asem kro na o kase na yonko fa oni asomasi fa ye no enya influence e wona brabo so a Jebi asem enchechemu beebiem papa enchechemu bi anim de opese o kan no waka wie whether wakanda anase unkanda time na wo kan asem no ni ana pese wo kan no eno ana wo kan ye no wo se ever since a ode ne ho bo Shatta Wale no na brabo asesa tie ebetu amba say a bad influence anase a good influence. The only issue ne say time na wo kan asem no na ade na medical akoye no obi ase enye enu ntino time a obi akoye ade a enye no u relate Emma na yonko fabia, which means nipa na ode ne ho kobọ no influence and man ko yes ha bone no tie enya asem a waka da na ase onka da sabi obi a wadi radio achi da why radio da wa produce radio shows da bia nim nia ekoso ansa na show no aiden aba sabi nipa na etina show ni so no ye nyina enim where they belong anu ntino na nsem mu nso no okasa mu no obi anim babia na wani kire na wako environment a sabi eye anti that person uduru hɔ naa no enkomo bɛkɔ so wɔ akyire sɛ chale na guy we amode ne bɛyi wahu o meye bibi and so obɛka no kra upa uye bold apa brabonte bɛka ne cause bibi cause ansa na show ne starting and the question is and you maybe wɔ hɔ a ye caution say yo aha ne de wontimi me yes ade we wɔ ha o say na betima ye de a ye be bie pro na ma wo. And besides papa wonu hia sa ade no sitting on such a platform no your dream and until what drew dreams ho na yesi power chi na yemfa sabi akonya ne mountain so e wo ho no almost 99.9% ebeye dia wo ye no and until nya wo ye no wale say na ni kra giama because what ma sacrifice no e de nya ne a wo pe and ye nyina nim say sa platform we say obetena so a every Saturday a ye nim ye obeye wo ho no enye ye nwanwa unti ase but we are happy for you and no person oti ase obi are happy for you o ye omo boss Shatta Wale din bone omatima building numbers omatima building omo craft omatima ye kese o Ghana ye omo kan Shatta Wale ho asem papa oma building omo brand oma ye kese oma ye bibia o Ghana and nti wo hwe ne e beboa wa no na wo ye ana ne wo ye no enya ade foforo bia o wiase ade Judas anya Yesu bi e ko hia anko ba bia kakra me pese me kani now na onyankopon adom o ma bie pronama on that platform ni so no papa e wom say o mo accept you because what promise you say o ba be ye adwuma bi ye nyina ye tiase but o kwatna platform ni so akọ sacrifice wunua se be ya o benya akonya atena so e that platform ni so no sinia gine hu mienu sabi se Wale akoya de boni bi na wo betena so aka e fine ani diem topic bi ba na emfa Wale ho Wale din ni ma with due respect adia sabi edi ye wa enya ode no memfa nkoye onua wadi kan ye baako eno de now de pa adwuma mu kwan ye nyina ya te ase na adwuma na faw ani diem ma respect enya adwuma se Wale akoye bibi ana o tena so akire wa adwena fa ho a it's fair enough nemom ade a emfa Wale ho no ma respect emra Wale din ho sabi Wale din na anya hwe kra ma no wakọ selling it out e de nya ba bi e kotena obanyansafo ye buni be me mpese me kasa bebre etoda bia busa ho se na social media ma ye nimpo Wale e survive ye enye di krabanti bi dani na social media eni ho no Wale e survive ye na enye wanwa enye wanwa medafo enempa social media aba no enempa social media aba na sabi now no power no a split among content creators ni nyina achi no. And until ask yourself, say time and not BB say anyone na radio for any control the narrative no. Wale timi survive o ye be seen no. Let me tell you, Wale BB dinechi. Me cannot crash them. Ebi asema me ken wadwene ma soda. Frankly speaking, me therefore Shatta Wale wa bro. Hey, Wale on. I was saying Mishra no. I'm telling you, how Wale a bro. Because even social media bampo no. The narrative. No busa say na social media ni ho no. Na ne kama for ne hwan. And which means Wale talent on. Very powerful. You can best musicians it won't be as the Ghana traditional media they are Shatta Wale inti on. Yentimi nyi Shatta Wale di film because adia etima kon ama Shatta Wale adrum pempenso na wadru no ade ba kope ni music said na Wale any talenter me therefore I'm telling you before God and man say can on survive you me sine because no ni okamaphobia empeni for so tan kodua no in America sa nipa no ena anyoma mu abie no sɛ wo ba abɔnten abɛyɛ biribiara tia no a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔdwene ho yie because tonton sansan na mu ware na na ba mempɛ sɛ mekasa bebree na sɛ wo akwantuom na wopɛ sɛ wosɛnde sika ɛba Ghana na wopɛ money transfer company papapa a sɛbi ɔmo exchange rate ɛwɔ soro kɛse a ɛyɛ lemfi sɛdeɛ yɛnyina anim no na ano dollar ne pound ne sika no asɛe baa na ɛba fam but lemfi money transfer ne deɛ ɔmo exchange rate no ɛyɛ number 1 na anigyesɛm ɛwɔ mu koraa ne sɛ wo download gu o phone so na o register wie o your first transaction a na o use the promo code anaasɛ referral code Bonah BONAH a o send your first $100 anaasɛ first $100 a ɔma $20 anaasɛ $20 back o send €50 a ɔma €15 cash back o send £50 a ɔma £10 cash back therefore what you all then download the lemfi never egu o phone so na start enjoy biemu nso sɛ wo America na o pese o ship America cry free America eba Ghana bibia pese o di free America eba Ghana therefore edin no e ba akopɛ Box Oak Logistics o frɛ Box Oak akachom sɛ enam the Bonah show so na wote o monka o monso o mecho 10% discount ana o free abrochire akɔ Ghana na odru Ghana be Kumasi odru Kumasi obepe ba bia da ama asoma dwoa Mr. Frey Pcash Properties ni fie ne ho CCTV cameras medofo ura fie ni interior ana se wo Ghana so na udi animu Mr. Frey Pcash Properties o frɛ Pcash nso aka chen se enam the Bonah show so na wote omonka omonso no impre no mecho 10% discount. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. I'm out.